It is called the Holy Grail of horology, a masterpiece that takes years of human life to create.
A Patek Philippe doesn't just tell time, it preserves it for the next generation.
Welcome to Geneva. This is the inner sanctum, where time itself is engineered by hand. Here, a single millimeter is a vast landscape. Precision is not just a goal, it's a religion.
From raw gold bars to a mechanical heartbeat, witness the birth of the world's finest timepiece. Let's dive into the most complex manufacturing process on Earth.
The body of the legend begins in the furnace. Pure gold is melted at over 1,000 degrees.
High-tech CNC machines carve the case from a solid block. Every curve is calculated to the micron.
Machines provide the shape, but only the human hand can provide the mirror-like black polish finish.
The Patek Philippe seal is stamped, a promise of quality that surpasses all industry standards.
Even the dial begins as a plate of solid gold, ready for the most delicate artistry.
Inside the movement, parts are so small they are invisible to the naked eye. Silicon technology meets traditional steel. Over 600 individual parts will work in perfect harmony to power the watch's complications.
The main plate is the foundation. It is decorated with Côté de Genève, a wave-like pattern of light.
Every single tooth of every single gear is polished by hand to reduce friction to near zero.
Rubies are used as bearings. They are harder than steel, ensuring the watch lasts for centuries.
Now we assemble the tourbillon, a rotating cage designed to defy gravity itself.
This is the heartbeat. It must vibrate exactly 28,800 times every single hour.
A fraction of a milligram off, and the watch loses its soul. The adjustment is a master's secret.
It takes a master watchmaker months just to assemble and regulate this one single complication.
The first tick. A machine comes to life, powered only by the tension of a spring.
The dial is an art gallery. Master enamelers apply layers of glass powder, firing it in an oven after each coat.
The moon phase complication tracks the lunar cycle with such accuracy it only needs adjustment once every 122 years. The minute repeater, a mechanical computer that chimes the hours, quarters, and minutes on demand.
The marriage of the face and the heart. The identity of the watch is finally revealed.
The hands are fitted with the gentlest touch. They must never touch each other as they glide.
The movement is finally sealed inside its golden armor. It is now protected from the world.
The strap is hand-stitched from the finest leathers, chosen to complement the warmth of the gold.
Every watch undergoes months of testing. It must perform perfectly in every position and temperature.
Only when it is perfect does it receive the final blessing. It is no longer a watch. It is a Patek Philippe.
Presented in a box that is a masterpiece itself. This is the moment a collector dreams of.
A legacy for the next century. You never actually own a Patek Philippe. You merely look after it for the next generation.
From raw gold to timeless art, this is the pinnacle of human creation. Thanks for watching.
Hit that like button and subscribe to see the making of a Steinway piano next week.